IRS is Stumpworks going Sonic Scrolls got one as well. IRS just sitting steady. So we're going to try to pull that back with the driver's seat controls in 2 seconds. And there they go. They pull that back, and 13-18 with another container for blue. Everybody hard working their usual places. Stein and Ray stacking for blue. 955, CD Robotics in 1983, Stumpworks cleaning for red. IRS can try to grab one more container for the Blue Alliance. They'll want those points. Both these alliances currently on the outside looking in for finals. And they're going to need every point they can get to try to upend one of our other 2 alliances. 955, CG Robotics already 6 high with their first stack. They're going to head towards the scoring platform. 2550 Skynet the same for blue. Stumpworks and Ray working hard on stacking for their respective alliances as well. 13-18 a little bit slow moving. Looks like it's like a wobble from their container, but they'll clamp that down and be ready to go. Still plenty of time left as Stumpworks comes in with their top stack as well. Ray 5 Ray chokes for the Blue Alliance. No container yet, but they'll drop all that down and probably try to come in with the container of 2 minutes. Still over a minute remaining. Plenty of time for these teams. 1983 going to pick up another container off the ground and try to head back to the line station for stacking. CB Robotics already 6 high on their second stack. They're trying to put that on the Red Alliance scoring platform as 13-18 has dropped their stack of 5 for blue. They're now going to try to pick up that last container that's on its side while their Alliance captain Skynet come in with another max point stack. Placed by CB. Ray able to cap off their stack from earlier. IRS a little bit of a mishap. They knock over the container. Tote stack also on the side. They'll be able to move that back to the scoring platform remaining. But that may spell doom for the Blue Alliance. 20 seconds just about remaining. Everybody going to do what they can. Stumpworks able to drop everyone on a stack off. 955 working on a third. Skynet working on a third as well, but they're out of containers, so they'll deflect those 6 Ray chokes. 10 seconds left. IRS going to grab 3 Ray chokes in scoring position, but they fall off the backside. 5 seconds left. Skynet loses theirs.